All right, Baruch Rabbi, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Holy Rebbe Levi Yitzchak ben Sosha Meberditchev Schusio going on Al Kol Yisrael Amen in the great Hasidic volume Kedushas Levi. This week's Parshas is Parshas Shmos. In the book of Exodus, chapter 2, verse 2, we read, Vayelech ish mebeis Levi kachas bas Levi. And a man who was Amram came from the house of Levi and took a daughter of Levi who was Yocheved, Jochebed. Perisho Elida Neshamas Mishpachas Levi. The Hasidic homily on this is that there were souls that were Levite souls from the family of Levi that were born because previously they had another son, Aaron. His soul was a priestly soul. Even though it's from the same tribe as the Levites, nonetheless the priests are a different type of soul. And that's what it means. They saw that he was good, and also that he was drawn from the water, that he represents the archetype of strength which is within kindness, as elsewhere Kedushas Levi explains on the verse in Psalm 132 that the priests wear righteousness. We'll do another one. In Exodus chapter 2 verse 10 it says they called his name Moses because they drew him from the water. Some ask why his name wasn't Drew, but anyway. Haklalhu, the general idea is ki yesh or mayim. Because there's light, there's water, and there's fire. Someone whose soul comes from the archetype of fire can lift up his soul to the archetype of water. And someone whose soul is from the archetype of water can lift up his soul to the archetype of light. So Moses' soul was from water. That was mean that he was drawn from the water, meaning he was drawn away from the level of water up to the level of light. Because that's what it means in Exodus 34, verse 29, that it says Moses was unaware, his face was shining. That hints the idea that Moses was from that archetype of water and he raised up to the level of light. One more verse, Exodus 2:23, God saw the children of Israel and God knew. What does it mean that he saw the children of Israel? He saw that these were the people who would accept the Torah, the children of Israel. Even though the angel said, oh, these people are worshipping idols, but God knew, meaning that he was connected, like Adam knew Eve. That God knew the Israelites in an intimate way, knowing that they would accept the Torah. That's what it means that God knew. That God connected himself, so to speak, if it was possible to say such a thing, with their good deeds, Israel, that the children of Israel performed Masei Maroyim, but God did not connect himself to anything bad that they did, God forbid. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.